During World War I, the Austro-Hungarians came up with a wild idea: strap 10 Mauser C-96 pistols to an anti-aircraft gun. Planes were fragile back then, made of wood and canvas, so this Mauser AA gun could actually rip through them. Each pistol had a 10-bullet clip, and the device fired all guns at once, 100 rounds in an instant. Sounds deadly, right? But there was a huge problem. Reloading each pistol took time, leaving the gunner completely exposed to enemy planes. Historians describe it as getting hit with a shotgun, but using it was incredibly risky.